Hello everyone, this is Joan for Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Bezzera Unica with us in the shop. And I came in for routine maintenance. It definitely needed some sort of cleaning. As you can see, this is the original shower screen here that we replaced. Can't really see much through, it's just so much coffee. So what we did is we deep cleaned the entire group head, replaced the shower screen and gasket, also descaled the single boiler that's in this machine. That's the nice thing about these Unicas is it is a single boiler, but it does have the operation for steaming and brewing. So we're now just going to quickly brew a shot. Just kind of want to show how much water comes out normally. Then we're going to put this in here with that brand new gasket. As you can see, it's that 90 degree. Use this cup here. Start brewing a shot. Let the lid rattle. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to the machine. As you can see, working fine. Running way too fast, but that's okay. And then if you were to want to steam on this machine, what you would do is you would open this here. You would hold down this button on the right until it switches over to steam. Maybe I'm not clicking it. There you go. Alrighty, so then you're going to open this steam wand just so water can pour out. It's going to slowly start to climb up. And pretty much you're just going to wait until it gets to a pretty dry steam. Then you're going to close it and let it build steam for a little bit. After you cleared a lot of water out of the boiler, then when you go back, should be a nice dry steam. Then to turn that steam mode off, you're going to hold that button down. There you go. Wasn't pressing hard enough. And then you're going to pull this up. And you're going to run water with the pump button to refill that boiler. It's going to cool off the boiler, let that steam out, and it's going to refill the boiler at the same time. So we're just going to let it refill here. Close that, you can turn off the pump. And now you're back to brewing. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.